gotten off at our stop for Saratoga Springs and we're gonna go to our room.
I forgot where she was from.
Oh,
It's okay.
We're on our way to our villas and oh, it's chilly. It's been really chilly in the morning and at night, but when it comes down to the afternoon, it's been kind of hot. Even though it's only in like the 70s, it's hot for me because, you know, it's November, it's pretty cold back home, so I'm not used to it. Say hi.
Hi.
I don't even know, what's our room number?
What?
I don't even know what our room number is. My sister's room, we found it. Then we have to find ours. Yep. Saratoga Springs Deluxe Studio. There's a closet.
Hey guys,
And
check
a
out a
nice
safe.
sink. And then there's a bathroom. Bathroom's kind of small though.
There's a safe.
And then, does this open? This is a kitchen and a dishwasher and a microwave. There is a TV stand, a bed, nightstand, couch. That's the couch ottoman that he took it and moved it. These are chairs, a mirror. Hey guys, and the curtain.
These are sheets for a baby bed.
Oh, do you think someone accidentally left them?
No, because it's in a bag of theirs.
Oh, okay.
It's like sheets for a baby
Cool.
bed or something.
The light sconce and that, and this is ours.
Oh, your room is different than ours.
Here's the 2-bedroom villa.
Oh my god,
Oh,
it's hot in here.
It's so dark.
It's bigger.
So hot.
That's why I like ours.
So let's bring it down.
It's humongous. And you have a balcony. Come on, baby, go on the balcony.
Hey guys, no, don't go out on the balcony yet. It's so nice. I feel like it's a home.
Is this a lock off or is this I extra locked down it.
Stay open. That's crazy. There's this. Is it gonna close on us? Oh no, it's gonna close on you. Here we go. I don't know. Oh wow, it's a huge dome. Beautiful here. This reminds me more of a beach club.
Yeah. When you checked in.
Or Port Orleans too, but kind of like Port Orleans' actual color scheme better. Oh, I love this! That might be my favorite quick service artist palette. I've been wanting to eat here just because of this little light area. Pretty lights. Cool lights over there. So yeah, I'm probably gonna go and get a sandwich and eat. Chicken flatbread, and apparently you get a side. So I decided that since I have the cups already, I'm gonna get this yogurt parfait for breakfast.
It's potato salad over there in that thing. It's
So this is my chicken
You can get a
flatbread.
drink, a dessert, or a
This
side.
is your what sandwich?
And
Italian?
it's good. I
Italian
like it.
flatbread?
I like it. You need to taste it.
Yeah, she thought it was
It's
amazing.
good, and the chips are good. They have a
Okay.
little bit of seasoning on them. Oh, I'm so happy. I didn't know.
So
if I
at
liked
least
it.
it's good. Maybe they don't have much of a selection, but
Yes,
it's good.
It's good.
Mine is just okay.
It's pretty good.
I mean, it's not bad. It's not really good either. Wouldn't really recommend it, but I'm definitely gonna eat it.
It looks good.
It looks
good. It just doesn't, I don't know, it doesn't have
The
much
chili's
flavor.
good.
Okay, so the chili's good.
I got the Italian. I got the Italian.
She literally was like, oh,
This is good.
I heard her take a first bite into it, and she thought it was so amazing. Yay, now it's out of the way and I can see your face. So how
These
is
chips-
yours?
Chips pretty good too. But I like dark chips.
I do too.
Yours is
They make it
good.
look fair.
It's hot ham and cheese. And it's good.
And this is Italian, and it's really good.
So far, everything is definitely edible. Theirs are really good. I mean, mine's pretty good, but I'm just saying, everything here, you can eat it so far that we've tried. We haven't tried anything nasty.
I haven't tried the potato salad.
Yep, and I'll tell you about this in the morning.
It's about halfway through.
Alright, how did I do this? Hold and push button.
Wait, no. You're not under the spell.
Oh.
Yeah.
Look. Where's the other one?
Yeah, what does the other one
Do
do?
you want to dump that out and put hot chocolate in there?
Is the other one anything special?
Maybe. I'm not sure.
It's a yes or no.
I mean, it might
You
just
don't
be an
get to
extra
decide
one.
later. You have to
Yeah, it might just be two.
decide.
Let's see if it comes out any differently or something.
You're almost done with that.
Nope, looks the same. I think it's just so you can fill 2 cups at once. I love getting hot cocoa when you get mugs. Every night I would drink hot chocolate.
And you never told me about this.
What? I never told you about this? I'm so sorry.
You gotta dump this out. Put hot chocolate.
We are ending the day from Epcot at Saratoga Springs, and I'll probably do a more quality walkthrough of it in the morning. Luna, go and find Eli. All the family's over. It's a 2-bedroom villa, and they have a deluxe studio. Hey, little one. And yeah, so then we're gonna go to Magic Kingdom tomorrow, and I'm really, really tired. Bye, guys. Have a magical day. Anybody gonna say it? Okay, no. Sprinkle with pixie dust.